Hello guys, this is me again, Rohab Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Today vlog, we're going to reveal the euros. Ayan. So what is the paper or the money in euros? So guys, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new video. So guys, let's start.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
So ayan guys, hello. Before I reveal the euro, I will gonna tell you, you will love and enjoy the paper money and the coins money for the euros. So ayan guys, let's start now. What is this the paper or the euro money is? Ta-da! That is the euro money. So guys, I will reveal you the euros money. Oh my god, my hair guys, oh, it's have always the like that. Okay. Para siya. So guys, sorry. So ayan guys, first thing is I'm going to show you the 1 cent euro. Ayan, I'm taking my sunglass. This is the 1 cent euro guys. Ayan. We are saying in the Philippines, without 1 cent, no 100. Okay? So ayan guys, this is the 1 cent. O, diba? I show you. 1 cent is like that. Oh. And this is guys the back. So ayan guys, diba? So you see that? Okay. And now this is the 2 cents guys. Ayan. This is the 2 cents. So you see guys, oh, 2 cents and the back is like that. Oh, diba? So, and then, after 2 cents, we have the 5 cents here, mga kalindog, and there. Because the Europe is a, guys, I will explain you because they have a lot of, ayan, this is the charge like that, no? The charge. Because Euro is, they have a Schengen, all the European Schengen. So, guys, this is the 5 cents, right? And now I will show you guys the 10 cents. Ayan. 10 cents is also like that. It's getting, before 1 cent to 5 cents is a bronze. The coins is a bronze, guys. And now we're going now to the gold. Ayan. The color gold. I don't know, gold or yellow. What is this? Or whatever. So ayan guys, here now they, I don't know where is this. But I think this is from London. Ayan. And I show you, this is the London Bridge, I think. But I think, no, but London is not anymore in the European. Oh, I think this is in Spain, guys, sorry. Ayan, Spain. So, after the 10 coins is, we're going now to the 20 cents, guys. Ayan, 20 cents. Ayan, here, guys, oh, even in the cents, they will show all the map of, ayan guys, this is the map of all the European. You see the European there. So this is the 2 cents, 20 cents. And this is from Greece, guys. Ayan, oh, this girl is from Greece. I don't know who is this girl. Ayan. This is the 20 cents. Ayan, mga kalindo, 20 cents. And now we're going to the 50 cents. Ayan, 50 cents, guys. The same, still the same. They have the you see, they have still the map for the Schengen, all the Schengen country. Ayan. And of course, this is Berlin. Ayan, mga kalindog, this is Berlin. Because guys, every coins or every things they have from the Schengen, for example, from Belgium. This is the part of Schengen. Belgium, Spain, Italy, Greece, Holland, or all the Schengen. I don't know. I'm gonna check what is all the Schengen. And then now, we're going to 1 euro. Ayan, 1 euro, guys. Ayan. This is 1 euro. There is still, they have also the map. And did you see, guys? They have a gold and silver in the front. And this is from Rome. Ayan. This is the Michelangelo's what do you call this drawing? Ayan, Michelangelo. This is from Rome. O, diba? Very cute. This is from Michelangelo. O, diba? And now we're going to the 2 euro. Ayan, mga kalindog. And then after that, I will show you all. So this is 2 euro, guys. I don't know. So 2 euro. 2 euro. Ayan. This is equivalent. It's more than, I don't know, to 20 pesos, or I don't know how much. I think, no, 200 pesos in the Philippines. Ayan. And the guy here is, I don't know, at the back. I think this is from Belgium. The king. I don't know who is this. But this is for sure from the Belgium. Ayan. Diba? So, guys, ayan. So, this is the 1 cent, 5 cents, 2 cents, I mean, okay, 1 cent, 2 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, 50 cents, or 20 cents, sorry, 50 cents, and 1 euro and 2 euro. Ayan, guys, I'm getting confused because I don't have the, the glass. So, I put some, eyeglass. So, ayan, guys, diba, oh, much better. So, we're going now to the paper money. Ayan. After the coins, money, we're going now for the paper money. So, ayan, guys, I will show you now. After the 2 euro, we're having here the 5 euro now. Ayan. This is the 5 euro, guys. 5 euros. And this is the, I think this is from, I don't know, guys. I think this is Berlin. Berlin again. And of course, there's at the back, again, the map from the Schengen. Ayan, all the star. So, how many stars this, guys? Let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think this is when they did this euro. They have still the 14, or the 13 starker, or the what is starker? The strongest country, yan, the European, like, ayan, Rome, Italy, Germany, Belgium, and the London before, but now not anymore. London, and then Holland, and Spain, ayan, and more, guys. So, ayan, guys, let's go now here. After 5 euro, we're having the 10 euro. Ayan, guys. Ang ating 10 euro na I'd like to, I think this is, guys, from, these things is from, I don't know, from Vatican or Italy, guys. Ayan. This is the 10 euro after the 5 euro, guys. And then, of course, at the back, we have still also the 13 or 12 star and still the map. So, ayan, guys, no, after the 10 euro, ayan, we're having now, after 5 and 10 euro, we're going now to the 20 euro. Ayan, guys, my favorite. Ayan, my favorite na 20 euro. So, there we go, guys. Ayan, diba? So, I think this is already in Belgium. I don't know, guys, kung Belgium siya. Belgium or, I don't know, or, yan, or the charge. So, ayan, guys, I will show you, no? Ayan. Here we go, guys. Ito pala yun, no? I will tell you. Ayan. So, this is, guys, ayan. I think here, I will show you, yan, no? We're starting here, this, I think the, Belgium, Czech Republic, then, ayan, meron din silang, from Greece, France, ayan, guys, yung France din pala, yan, mga yan, this is the Schengen, the name, 1, 2, but I'm not really sure, guys, you know, because it's Latin, so, ayan, So guys, after 20 euro, of course, ayan pa rin, meron din siya at the back yung kanyang map. So ayan guys, no, after 20 euro, of course, we have now the 50 euro. So guys, this I like it. My sugar, charot. Ayan, somebody always gives me the 50 euro. So ayan guys, oh, I think this is already naman in Rome or Vatican. So ayan guys, 50 euro. And of course, at the back, ayan, still the same, yung kanyang star. And of course, yung kanyang map. So, diba? Ayan, 50 euro. Ayan, guys. And of course, after the 50 euro, meron tayong guys na 100 euro. Ayan, the 100 euro. Also, the same arco. I don't know what arc is this, where from. Ayan, guys, diba? Maganda yung kanyang, this is the, what do you call this? It's like in the visa. If you get the visa from Schengen, you will get also this. So ayan, 100 euro, and of course, ayan, still the star and the map. So ayan guys, diba? So every money they have this silver guys, ayan. And after 100 euro guys, mga kalindog, we're having the 200 euro. Ayan. So 200 euro, the same arc, but I don't know where. I think this is the I don't know, the door or something like that. Ayan, di ba? 200 euro. And of course, the same pa rin guys. Meron siyang star and of course the map. Ayan. So ayan guys, diba? Ayan guys, this yellow is also good if somebody will gonna give you. But of course, the most and ever my favorites is, I love it too much, is the color ube or the what do you call it? The violet. We have here the 500 euro. Last but not the least guys, ayan. The 500 euro, ayan, the most ever, ayan. So, ang kanya naman, guys, is only small. So, no more the, what do you call it, the vertical, no more vertical, only like this, oh, small. But they put here also in this, silver, 500 euro. So, ayan, guys, diba? I don't know, I think this is from, I don't know, from Belgium or Milan. So, ayan guys, ang ating 500 euro. Of course, the same. We have also the star, but not at all. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 star. And of course, ayan guys, I don't know where is this. I forgot. Oh, I think this is in Hamburg or somewhere. But ayan guys, oh, the most and the ever 500 euro. At saka, ayan, the same things, not no more here in the side, is here now, all the name from France, Italy, Belgium, Germany, Italy, somewhere, or chu. So guys, ayan, this is all about the money. This is the 500 money, 500 euro, I mean. So, ayan guys, I will show you better this money, the euro money, the paper money, and the coins money. So, ayan guys, I reveal you the money from Europe to Schengen country. I mean, ayan. So, I will show you guys. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo ng very clear. So, ayan, wait guys, pakita ko. So, there we go guys. Ayan, ang ating 1 cents, ayan, 1 cents, 2 cents, 5 cents, and of course, ayan guys, ang ating 10 cents, and of course, ang ating 20 cents, 1 euro, and 2 euro. And of course, ang ating 5 euro, 10 euro, 20 euro, 50 euro, 100 euro, and 200 euro, and the 500 euro. Ayan guys, this is all the money here in Europe, in Schengen country, okay? So, ayan, I reveal you already, guys, the money from Europe. O, diba, guys? Ang ganda niya. They begin to the gray, pink, blue, orange, green, yellow, and violet. O, diba? There is the money, Charles. So, bye. So, there we go, guys. I show you already the money or the money here in Europe, in our Schengen country. O, diba guys, beautiful yung kanilang money. So, ayan, Mutia, kumpadre, you are the one who asking me, you wanna see the money here in Europe, but I don't show you all, no, I think only until 100. But now, ayan, guys, this is the complete money here in Europe, ayan, in Germany, Belgium, France, Italy, I don't know where the other, Holland, and Belgium, Spain, and I don't know where the other guys, I cannot remember. But anyway, guys, ayan. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy my video. So bye guys, don't forget to smile. Ayan, I have a lot of money, guys. I'm going to shopping after this. Bye! Oh, money. I love money, Charles.